In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily export Bookmark in Brave browser. By the end, you'll have a clean backup of your bookmarks saved as a single file that you can store safely or move to another browser or device. Start by opening your Brave browser. Make sure you're using the profile that contains the bookmarks you want to export. If you use multiple profiles, check the profile icon near the top of the window to confirm you're in the right one. Next, look to the top right corner of the Brave window and click the three horizontal lines. This is the main menu, sometimes called the hamburger menu. It opens a panel with your settings and tools. From that menu, hover your mouse over Bookmarks and Lists. Don't click yet, just hover. A side menu will appear, and this is where Brave groups everything related to your bookmarks. If you don't see it right away, move your mouse slowly and keep it within the menu so it doesn't close. Now, click Bookmark Manager. This opens a new tab showing all your bookmark folders and items. Think of it as the control center for organizing, searching, and managing your saved sites. You should see your folders on the left and individual bookmarks on the right. In the Bookmark Manager, look again to the top right corner of this page and click the three dots. These are the More Actions options specific to the manager, not the main browser menu. This is an easy spot to miss, so make sure you're clicking the dots within the Bookmark Manager tab. From the drop-down, choose Export Bookmarks. A save window will pop up. Brave creates an HTML file that includes all your bookmarks and their folder structure. Keep the file type as HTML. It's the standard format that almost every browser can import later. Choose a location you'll remember, like your desktop or downloads folder, and consider giving the file a clear name. For example, Brave Bookmarks Backup with today's date. When you're ready, click Save. That's it. Your bookmarks are now exported. You can back up this file to cloud storage or an external drive for safekeeping. If you ever switch devices or want to move your bookmarks to another browser, use that browser's import feature and select this HTML file. Your folders and links will appear just as they were. To recap quickly, open Brave, use the top right menu, hover over Bookmarks and Lists, open Bookmark Manager, click the three dots in the manager, choose Export Bookmarks, and save the HTML file. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a solid bookmark backup.